Good morning, my friends. I welcome you to my channel. This is my first video. Thank you so much for watching this. So, let's get it started. I'm going to make this beautiful earring for today's tutorial, which is, it's made from malachite, some glass beads, and aluminum wire. I'm going to explain exactly what I'm talking about right now, so you can see this. Okay, let's get it started. So for this video we're going to need one regular hook, earring hook. This particular is made from like some gunmetal, but you can choose your own material. It's up to you guys, whatever you want to use. So we're going to use also, I don't know exactly the particular English name, but this is exactly the type of jewelry material we're going to need. So that's what it is. So we're going to also need a couple of tiny glass beads. These ones are like yellow color, and one 10mm semi-precious stone malachite, which I think yellow and the malachite colors fit a lot, really well. Also, we're going to need aluminum wire, 1mm thickness. It looks like this, if you can see. It's very easily workable, bends really well. And last thing, two kinds of pliers. One cutting plier and one plier with, as you can see, it has those circular endings, which I'm going to show you. We're going to turn and work the aluminum wire. So I think we're ready to start. So first we take that particular gadget over here. As you can see, it has a tiny loop, so the loop has to be above, on top. So we turn it like this. So the loop is here. We turn this like this. We put one of the tiny glass beads inside. Then we put the malachite, our big stone, the other glass bead. So we catch it and turn it this way, so the upper part of the earring is going to look like this, if you can see. So we're halfway there. Not exactly there yet, but halfway there. We turn this again, so the loop is on the bottom, so we can work. We catch the earring from the loop. Now here we have some leftover space, which we're not going to need all of it to finish the jewelry, to finish the earring. So we're going to measure about an inch to have left, and the rest we cut it with a cutting pliers. So I'm going to just go there about an inch and cut this. So now we have this left. We have this left. Before we put it to the side, we're going to take the circular pliers, the ones that we make, that we bend. So we put the pliers on the edge of that metal, and we just make a circular loop. So we create a tiny loop, like this. Create a loop. So as you can see over here, this is a half loop. We just leave it here for a second. We'll go back here in a minute. Now it's time to finally work with our aluminum wire. So I don't think we're going to need much, but take the circular pliers again, place them on the edge of the wire. And then, as you can see, I hope you can see me guys over here, we turn, so we start creating a small loop again. Then we place the pliers again, and we keep turning. We keep turning. You see, so far we created a loop. Over here is a tiny loop. So we press the pliers, we put the pliers again here, we keep turning. We keep turning. Turning. Now we almost have 2 loops over here. And now we don't need the pliers anymore. Our fingers can do the work. So we cut. I'm sorry. we catch this. We catch that loop with our fingers. And we turn. We turn. We turn. And keep going. Keep going. It's very easily to work. That wire is really easy to work. We keep turning. So we have created this. Look how beautiful this is. We just created this with the aluminum wire. So as we have this ready over here, we catch this with our fingers, so we secure it. We take the cutting pliers. We measure again about 1.5 inches. And we cut the wire. That's all we need. That's all we need. So now as we have it over here, this is what we have over here. We grab it with our fingers, we take the circular ending pliers and we place them on the edge and we turn the opposite direction. We just try to create a loop, just a loop this time, 1 loop, but on the opposite direction than the direction we were making the shape. So that shape is like this. The loop is going to be like this. So we place it here and we create the loop. And that's what we have so far. It's our design with a loop. It's very easy, right? You have to agree with me that it's really easy. Alright, we put this to the side. I think it's the time to start like putting the things together so we actually have our final product. So we go back to our previous small project over here. So we keep up on top the tiny loop we've already created. It's like this over here, if you can see. We've created a half a loop over here. We take the second part, the down part of the earring. We have a loop over here and half a loop over here. So we place that loop into this one. I'm going to do this right now, I hope you can see me. We place this inside and we let it hang. We have this. So now we catch the earring, we put the beads a little bit as far to the top as we can. And we take the circular pliers again, so we complete the loop, we can secure the earring. We put the pliers in this half loop that we've created and we keep turning until we finish it, until we actually create a loop. That's what it is. That's almost there. So that's how our earring is going to look like, guys. Okay, now to finish it, we take our hook. So our hook has, I don't know if you can see, it has a tiny loop over here in the end. That loop is able to open and close again. So we check the side that has the opening, and we put the circular pliers here in the loop, and we open it like this. So we have the hook with its loop half open. We take our half down earring with the loop that it has here on top, and we place that loop into this one, into the hook one, like this. We take the circular pliers again. We place them into the loop that the earring has. Excuse me, the loop that the hook has. And we secure it, we close it. With a circular movement, we close the loop. And that is our final product. That is our earring. We made it. I'm going to put them together so you guys actually see how that lovely, beautiful pair of earrings looks like. And I'm really glad we made it together. So that is our final product. So that was our first video. Thank you so much for watching this, and I hope you enjoyed it. And if you did, please don't hesitate to subscribe. Click the subscribe button, and I hope you see you guys next time. Thank you so much.